The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Seriousskilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, in this video, I'm presenting videos that shows some things that persons had done that are considered to be unwise. You see me? On social media, some persons called what had happened in these videos stupid. You see? I have no confirmed information as to exactly where within the world these videos have been recorded, nor do I have any confirmed information as to when these videos have been recorded. Alright? So for example, you might get the understanding that a video had been recorded within the country of Jamaica, but however, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica the video had been recorded. I'm presenting these videos to you so that you can have a look at these videos. You can also tell me what you think and to also keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? As I present these videos to you, I'm going to point out the dangers, in these videos and so on, if there's any. Alright? Alright. Now I just presented to you one video that shows a motor vehicle driving on the wrong side of a road. You see me? On social media, it is said that the person was driving the motor vehicle on the wrong side of a highway. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, the vehicle is going that way while other vehicles coming this way on a one-way road. That's dangerous. It would be best the person park on the side of the road, call a wrecker, and tow the vehicle off the road. You see me I say? Now, I'm going to move on to another video right about now, and the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is a edited video, like pieces of videos put together, and it's not really a long video either, and this video shows what happened when a person touched something that many persons call a wasp nest. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, the following video contains scenes that might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
University College, where we have an exterminator.
Next this.
Viewers and subscribers, yes, when it comes down to wasps, hornets, bees, those kind of insects will attack you, like plenty of them attacking you at once. They are dangerous insects when they feel like they are being threatened. You see what I say? This person should not have done what the person had done. If you're not trained to handle bees or wasps, those kind of insects, leave them alone. Leave them alone. Alright. The next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show what happened when a person did some things that are considered to be reckless riding or reckless driving. You see me? This video is going to show a person riding on a motorcycle, moving from one side of the road to the next side of the road. You see me? Basically doing some very risky stunts and some risky things. You see me? Now I'm going to present this video to you, but before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look. listen, and observe. Viewers, subscribers, what happened in this video is really and truly dangerous, and it's really reckless riding or reckless driving. You see me? Some persons say that you drive a motorcycle, some persons say you ride a motorcycle. So whether it's considered to be driving or riding, it's reckless, it's dangerous what had happened. You see me? What the person had done could have cost that person's life. You understand? Or others to be injured as well. You see me? It's dangerous what had happened. You see me? Alright, so hopefully persons might learn from that video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Alright. Now I'm going to move on to another video. And this video is going to show something that I also consider to be dangerous. You see me? This video is going to show what happened when a person was riding a bicycle and holding on to a truck, and the truck was going up the hill and pulling both the person and the bicycle as well. And that had happened because the person was holding on to the truck. I hope you understand what I'm saying to you, but for you to get a better understanding, I'm going to present this video to you. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. So many dangers I saw by looking at that video. You see me? The bicycle wheel can drop in a pothole while the truck is pulling the person, and the bicycle can flip. Person can hit his head and worse. You see me I say? A vehicle from behind can come and cause damage as well. See? The truck can stall and run back, especially if the truck have load. The truck can stall and run back. You see me? The truck can slip out of gear and run back. So many dangers I saw or see by looking at this video. You see me? Alright, well anyway, so I'll move on to another video right now. You see me? And actually this video that I'm going to present to you, I'm not going to say much on this video because I don't really know how to really and truly talk about this one. You see me? This video, you're going to hear a person talking in the background of the video and explain what had happened to that person when the person went to buy something that many persons might call weed. You see me? Some persons might also call it marijuana. You understand? Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now take a look, listen and observe.
And them man and them boy. I never told them that kind of fucking talent. You know, that are really fucking talented man, boy. 10,000 for one. Give me two. What you going on? That one? Give me two, boy. That the next one. What's the next one? I move with a big knife and I move like a cunt. Me cut my weed. I'll tell me what's going on in this place. What should I do? In front. They give you big brick in your mother cunt. Me see how long it go last. I don't know million.
Viewers and subscribers ever hear a thing what them say? Don't buy puss in a bag. Yeah, don't buy puss in a bag or something like that. You understand? Basically, it's like it's a term where it's saying that know what you're buying. You see me? And don't buy things that are considered to be foolishness. Yeah, that's the understanding that I get from that term. You see me? Alright, well anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the videos that I just presented to you. I present these videos to you so that you can have a look at them. You can also tell me what you think to keep you up to date and posted. And let you know what I go on. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall 10.